Are you tired of clicking through to setup every time you log into Salesforce? Learn how to make setup your default landing page in under 30 seconds. I'll walk you through the exact menu path. Just follow these 7 simple steps and you'll never waste that click again. Start by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner of Salesforce. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Display and Layout. Now, from the results that appear, choose Customize My Pages. Scroll down to the Additional Options section. Check the box that says Make Setup My Default Landing Page. Finally, click Save to apply your change. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.